Good morning. Today we're going to do front disc brakes on a 2011 Road King. And this has the ABS brakes. It's so simple, everyone can do it. With that, let me get started. And if you could, please subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment. I really appreciate it. All right, the first thing we want to do is remove this cover. Ordinary screwdriver, just get in there, pry it back. Take notice how it went on, single and a double at the bottom. I usually put it down on the floor the way I picked it up. Now if you look close, you're going to see this clip. You got to remove that clip. This is the pin that holds everything together. Easy. Take notice which way it's directed. Put it on the floor. Now, this pin is what removes it. With a 5mm Allen head. I know, right? Metric. Believe me. Never cease to surprise me. Alright. Remove pin. Pull out. The Harley brake kit comes with the pins, the clip, the whole setup. It's pretty nice. Now to remove the pad, I collapsed it with a screwdriver underneath. You'll see the pad. I hope you can see this. Turn the wheel. And there's your pad. Line this one up. It anchors up top and it pivots on the bottom. That's simple. Line them up. Now this kit comes with a new pin and the clip. Brand new pin. Brand new clip. Make sure they're the same. Take the old ones off the floor, put them to the side. Now what you want to do is match your pads. I'll put this on the floor to the pad I removed. By doing this, you know you'll never have a problem. Sometimes it could be the wrong pads and you can really upset yourself. Okay, put that over here. They're all lined up. I matched them and they're ready to go. All right, we'll take this. We'll call that the outside. All right, take it. You can see it pivots here and the pin goes through there. Here's my pin. There we go, beautiful. Now we'll call this one the inside one. Same thing. Slip it in, it hinges here and pins there. It's not hard. If you compress your caliper, it'll line right up. Get your hand back there. You'll feel it. Take your little clip. All it does is slide right in. You'll see. There's like you'll see it just slides right in. There's a slot for it. If you can see that right there. Okay, you'll feel it. It'll clip, you'll feel it. Spin the wheel. Nice. Put this back on. Pivot the bottom. And that's how you do the front pads. Now all that's left is to pump up the brake and make sure you don't forget, or you won't have no brakes, and that would be a surprise to somebody. All right, with that, I'm going to pump the handle. If the brake reservoir's been checked, that's all fine. The bike's in great condition. We just did tires. There you go. Now we pumped it up. Everything works beautiful, smooth. And with that, have a great day. Ride safe. And if you could, thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. You might know a better way. Let us know. It all helps. And thank you for your support.